Hello students and welcome to your history class. Today our topic for 6th class history is the River Valley Civilization, the Chinese civilization, and today we will take the exercise part of this chapter. So let us start. The first question, take the correct answer. The first question, the Chinese worshipped a god called, answer is Shang-Ti. Second, the reign of which dynasty is known as the classical period of China? Answer is Zhou dynasty. Third, the Chinese were the first to cultivate. Answer is tea. Fourth, which of the following was not invented by the Chinese? Answer is solar calendar. Fifth one, the Chinese civilization flourished around, answer is 1800 BCE. Second, fill in the blanks. First one, Dash is named as one of the 7 wonders of the world. Answer is the Great Wall of China. Second, the Chinese used both Dash and Dash calendars. Answer is solar and lunar calendars. Third, the Chinese civilization flourished along the banks of river. Answer is Huang Ho. Fourth, after King Dash were the important people in the kingdom. Answer is nobles. Fifth, Dash was first produced in China. Answer is tea. Now come to your third part, that is match the column A with the column B. First one, pagoda. Answer is stupa style temple. Second, Wang Ho. Answer is sorrow of China. Third, seismograph. Answer is records earthquakes. Fourth one, Shang-Ti. Answer is ruler above. Fifth one, Chinaware. Answer is glazed pottery of Poquelin. So the first, second and third part, you will note it down them in your book, and these dates, you will have to write these dates in your notebook. So let us deal with the first date. It is 1800 BCE. The Chinese civilization flourished. Second, 1600 BCE to 1046 BCE, the Shang dynasty ruled in China. Third, 1046 BCE to 256 BCE, Zhou or Zhou dynasty ruled in China. Fourth, 25 CE to 220 CE, Han dynasty ruled in China. Fifth one, 11th century BCE to 3rd century BCE. You can write the rule of Zhou dynasty, and you can also write the classical period of Chinese culture. But here over here we write the rule of Zhou dynasty. Sixth one, 256 BCE, the decline of Zhou dynasty. Seventh, 18th century, the cultivation of tea began in other countries. Eighth, 1974 CE, terracotta army was discovered. Now we will deal with question answers. First question, which philosophical systems were followed by the Chinese people and by whom they were founded? Answer is Taoism and Confucianism were followed by the Chinese people. They were founded by Lao Tse and Confucius respectively. Second, mention some of the dynasties that ruled China. That your answer? Dynasties of China. A. Shang dynasty. You can also write the dates with them: 1600 BCE to 1046 BCE. B. Zhou dynasty, 1046 BCE to 256 BCE. C. Han dynasty, 25 CE to 220 CE. Third question. Describe the contribution of the Chinese civilization in various fields. Start your answer. Contribution of Chinese civilization. They had built the Great Wall of China. B point. Silk was first produced in China. C. Chinese had invented paper, mariner's compass and gunpowder. Moreover, they have also invented umbrella, crackers and kites. Write down your fourth question. What is Great Wall of China? Describe its features. Fourth answer, write it down. The Great Wall of China is the highest and longest wall in the world. Now we will deal with the features of this Great Wall of China. The Great Wall of China, A point. It extends over 21,196 kilometers. B point. It is 8 meters high and 7 meters wide. C point. There are 16,000 watchtowers across the length of the wall. Now the last question, fifth one. Describe the society of Chinese civilization. Write down the answer. The king was most powerful in the society, followed by the nobles, the merchants, craftsmen, farmers, and slaves. With this, we have finished with our Chinese civilization. In our next video, we'll deal with Vedic civilization.